How to fix GTA 5 an error occurred while authenticating with Rockstar Games service. So if you want to fix GTA 5 an error occurred while authenticating with Rockstar Games services, then what you need to do is first you need to open up your task manager, right click on your taskbar and then go with task manager. And once you're in your task manager, here you need to completely close the platform where we have GTA 5. So in my case, it might be Steam. So you need to just right click on your Steam if you have your Steam opened, and then you need to just simply go with end task and end the task of your Steam. So we need to wait until it's done. And then also close the Rockstar Games as well if there is some task. And then what you need to do is first, you need to make sure that you have opened your Rockstar Games. Just go ahead and open up your Rockstar Games Launcher. And also make sure to sign in before you launch your Steam or Epic Games. After that, you need to again go with your Steam and then launch your Steam and see if your problem is fixed. After that, you just need simply go back and then open up your file manager or your file explorer. So you just need simply go with the documents and here, and then you need to find the Rockstar Games and rename it as Rockstar Games X or something like that, and then launch the game and look if the problem persists. I advise you not to delete it because there are some profiles that have been saved in your Rockstar Games or your Steam. So if you don't want to lose your profiles or saved data, then just don't delete it. Try renaming it, and if it does not work, then open up your browser and then search for a VPN. So search for 1.1.1.1 and download the Cloudflare VPN on your PC. It's completely free, and then what you need to do is just open Cloudflare and connect it. After that, you need to launch the game and look if the problem still persists. And the last thing that I suggest to do here is you can go with your rockstargames.com on your browser. Just go with a new tab. After that, sign into your account. Go with your profile. Go with sign in. Once you've signed in, you need to go with your profile, which will be in the top right. Then you can go with log out again, which will be on the bottom. And then refresh your page. After refreshing, you need to search for CMD. You will have command prompt. You need to right click on it and then go with run as administrator. Click on yes. And here you need to type in some commands, which is ipconfig // flush DNS and then hit the enter. After that, just launch your Rockstar Games Launcher or your Epic Games or your Steam where you got the game and launch your GTA 5, and then it should work. That's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.